Imagine your Arduino sending live data to a website, and you can see it update instantly. No refresh, no delay, just real-time control. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to build this from scratch using Arduino and Python and Flask. Hey everyone, welcome back to Byte by Adam. Today we're combining Arduino plus Python plus web development to create something really powerful. By the end of this video, your Arduino will send data directly to a web page you can open in browser. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's set up Arduino. We will send data through the serial port. For example, I'm using a simple sensor like a photoresistor or even random values. This code reads a value and sends it every half second. Now the magic happens in Python. We will read Arduino data and send it to a web page using Flask. Make sure to replace COM3 with your Arduino port. Now when we open data, we get live values from Arduino. Let's display this data in real time on a web page. This script fetches new data every 500 milliseconds and updates the page automatically. And just like that, your Arduino is now connected to a live website. You can see the values updating instantly in your browser. This is just the beginning. You can use this to build smart home dashboards, route monitoring systems, remote control apps. If you want more projects like this, hit subscribe and drop a comment below.